COVID-19 cases reached a milestone on Wednesday, topping 400 million around the world. Some countries are seeing their biggest waves of the virus yet, but in Europe and the US, countries are rolling back their measures as daily cases fall. Yeon-seung reports.
Coronavirus cases worldwide surpassed 400 million. According to statistics site Worldometer on Wednesday, the number of accumulated COVID cases has passed the 400 million mark, with 100 million new cases added just in the past month. Hong Kong and New Zealand, which was once touted for its successful zero-COVID approach, are now seeing unprecedented spikes. Cases in Hong Kong are almost doubling every 3 days. More than 600 cases were added to the tally on both Monday and Tuesday. In response, Hong Kong will enforce its strictest COVID-19 measures yet. Hair salons and places of worship are closing down for 2 weeks. Gatherings will be limited even on private premises, and people can only meet in public in groups of 2. As for New Zealand, its daily tally sat around the 200 mark, also the highest seen for the country. New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern expects a much steeper rise, up to 10,000 or even 30,000 a day by late March. But some of the countries that had earlier been battered by the pandemic are starting to see their infection waves waning. The U.S. is one of them. Several states in the U.S., including New York and New Jersey, have now started rolling back their mask mandates.
Because of the dramatic decline in our COVID numbers, effective Monday, March 7th, the statewide school mask mandate will be lifted. We're not going to manage COVID to zero. We have to learn how to live with COVID as we move from a pandemic to the endemic phase of this virus.
Italy has also witnessed a dramatic decline, as cases this week dropped to 1/5 of what they were less than a month ago. Starting this Friday, the country will no longer require masks outdoors. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.